What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, King Hussle X1M, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, all my social media links will pop up, which means there's no way for you guys to keep getting scammed, keep going to fake King Hussle pages, and keep getting duped out your money, all right? So please just follow the links in the description, and make sure you get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody impersonating King Hussle, all right? So, and before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today, it's going to be a good video. Today's video, I'm going to drop gems how you can legally rob the banks. And a lot of people don't understand. Why you be talking about loans so much? Why you always talking about bad credit and personal loans and this and that? Because this is the way the rich get rich and the poor get poor. The more loans the rich take out and use the bank's other people's money, the more they invest in the businesses and create different passive income routes and create generational wealth and financial freedom for their family. All right, so I'm giving you guys all this information and all this sauce and all these sites and all these little tricks of the trade, so you guys can take it and run with it and become successful yourself. I wouldn't be giving it if I wouldn't be doing it myself. And like I said, we're not flashing money over here. We're flashing assets. We're flashing things we're doing with our money. I'm talking about investments, businesses, things like that. So the more I invest, the more I'll be blessed. I'm trying to make sure you guys invest more so you guys can be investing and be blessed and create passive income. Who wouldn't want to be waking up to an easy $20,000 a month? You wake up every month, first of the month, you get $20,000. Boom. How can you beat that? So I'm gonna help you guys get there. I'm gonna help you guys create financial freedom. I'm gonna help you guys generate passive income. So today I'm gonna be talking about how to legally rob the banks. And I want to make this clear. We got to make sure we start getting our business together. We got to start making sure we get all our information together. We got to start doing this because, like I said, it's easier to get loans with your business, vice versa, your personal. All right. So the first thing you want to do is open up 3 LLCs. All right. Open up 3 LLCs. Once you open up 3 LLCs, you want to apply for the no docs loan credit option. All right. So once you do all that, you got your 3 LLCs. You want to access up to $50,000 for each LLC. All right. So you got that 150 for 3 LLCs. All right. Make sure you register your LLCs anonymous. You do that by registering your LLCs in 3 states: Delaware, New Mexico, and Wyoming. Once you do that, it's easy because now you can generate different sources. Like, let me see, like you can acquire LLC and establish business credit. You can go to the Bank of America and acquire 4 auto loans with inquiry. You rent out 4 of the cars, and now you make 5 figures a month easy like that. Like, I got so much written down over here on my blackboard, information for you guys to get rich. And a lot of people be like, man, how you get these loans? How you do this? How you do that? It's so many tricks that, if, like I just told you, get you 3 LLCs and register them anonymously, all right? Once you do that, go apply for the non-docs loan, all right? For any of them banks that I've been telling y'all about: Key Bank, Navy Federal, credit unions. Credit unions are the easiest place for you to get approved for a loan, for a line of credit, for a credit card if you have bad credit, all right? They don't really, because those places, they don't really care about your credit. Well, they care about your credit, but that's not all they look at. Sometimes credit isn't always what it seems. Sometimes people have bad credit, but they making payments on time. People getting money, people are getting paid. So by you establishing a relationship with this small bank, this credit union, it's going to be easier for you to obtain a loan, for you to be able to get this line of credit, for you to be able to do the things that you need to do. And a lot of people don't understand that. A lot of people are like, oh, bro, I want to get this, I want to get this loan. I want to get a no employment loan. I want to get a verification loan. I want to do this. I want to do that. Well, you got to put yourself in a position to be able to do that. And a lot of people don't do that. A lot of people just go off these videos and they be like, oh, they said I can get a bad credit loan. They said I can get a signature loan. Well, it's a lot of places that you can do that, but you just got to be on your business. You got to be on top of your game. It's a lot of different credit unions. Like, let me see. It depends on where you at. It really depends on where you at. I don't know all the credit unions, but I know a couple of them that will literally give you $10,000 to $20,000 pre-approval credit cards easy. Like, let me see, like Dover Credit Union. Dover Credit Union is another good place. Like, if you never heard of Dover Credit Union, look them up. Go tap in with them. It's a lot of different, you know what I'm saying, credit unions that you can go to and start getting approved for lines of credit and loans. You just gotta know how to handle your business, all right? Get that paperwork together. Start becoming professional. The more you learn, the more you sound like you know something about something, all right? And a lot of people are not willing to learn and take the knowledge and run with it. And a lot of people are. So if you try and get like quick funding, TD Bank, Key Bank, what's another one? Fundbox, it's a lot of Univest. It's a lot of different places to get funded. And then when I drop these videos, y'all be like, oh, these are scams. They directed me to all these different places and getting my information. And well, clearly you not approved. So listen, like I told y'all, work on, every day is a new day. Every day is a new opportunity for you to literally put yourself in a better position. Every day is a new opportunity for you to succeed. Every day is a new opportunity for you to make some money, point blank, period. It's a lot of people who say they want to make money, but they get lazy and they just want to sit down all day, smoke, drink, and do nothing. Working is hard to them. Doing something is hard to them. So be the person that works harder than the person that's sitting down on that couch being lazy. Be the person that's working harder than your friends. Be the person that's starting that business and employing your friends so you can get that $1,000, that $26,000 loan that's going out. And I'm gonna talk about that next. Be the person that's able to understand business and understand that this is how life is. This is how life works. You gotta be able to get these loans, just be able to handle business, point blank, period. Everybody want to be a rapper. Everybody want to be an entertainer. Everybody, well, how you going to do all that if you don't know the business? You're going to get duped out your money. You're not going to understand nothing. You're going to get the money. You're going to spend the money and be right back to square one. Because in this business, in this entertainment business, you get hot. But then once you get hot, you go down. You cool off real fast. Now it's up to you to figure out what you got to do to stay hot. And it's very, very hard. So when I'm dropping these gems, please hear me out. Please understand, like, okay, if you're a rapper out there, you want to focus on being a rapper, focus on being the rapper and focus on being the CEO, because at the end of the day, you will make more money being the rapper and the CEO, vice versa, just being a rapper. Let's say you a hot rapper and you're the CEO of your own record label, right? And they want to give you a $1 million $1 million for your record label, and they want to give you $1 million for you as the artist, right? So you just got $1 million for your record label, which means your record label has $1 million budget that you could sign rappers and do whatever you want to do. It's basically yours. And now you got $1 million for you, the artist, to do what you need to do. You just got $2 million. Vice versa, you just would have been the rappers and you just would have got that $1 million. Now you can go get that $5 million loan because you got a business, you got employees, you got a whole production company, not a record label, a production company where you need to pay for certain things. See, people be making these y'all LLCs and all that stuff like that, but not understanding, like, listen, the business that you're making your LLC is, different businesses qualify for different funding because different businesses need different things. And the more things that you need for your business, the more funding you'll get. And the more you make it look good, the more you get money you'll get. Point blank, period. So start thinking, put y'all thinking caps on. What do you really want to do in life? Do you really want to be an entrepreneur, or do you want to work a 9 to 5 your whole life? So make sure y'all tap in, man. Make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all coming to get these gems. Make sure y'all watching these videos throughout the whole video so you can understand what I'm talking about, so you won't be lost in the sauce. So you won't write me and ask me certain things that I say in every single video, all right? I want to make sure everybody becomes successful. I want to make sure everybody create generational wealth and financial freedom for their self and their family and their kids and their cousins and their brothers and their sisters and their mother and their fathers and their grandparents. So let's make sure to start getting our lives together. Let's make sure we start handling our business. Let's make sure we start getting our business together. Figure out what you I ask yourself this. You want to become a millionaire, right? Yes, you. What do you see yourself becoming a millionaire doing? What do you see yourself doing to get $1 million or more than $1 million? Point blank period. When I ask people that, they get lost. It's a big pause. So ask yourself that. Once you figure it out, then we gonna be in the game. Now we gonna know what we need to do to. Now we gonna know what we need to do to really get the ball going, really get the show going, and for you to be successful and you be your own entrepreneur. All right. So make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all watching these videos. Make sure y'all subscribe to all the channels. Make sure y'all looking out for the raffle, the giveaway that's coming up soon. All the channels. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. Unlimited gems, $500 is January 31st. Don't miss out. Book your seat on the crypto tour, in-person limited gems, $3,500 in person. If I got to come to you, $4,500, $500 deposit. I'm still looking for rappers, actors, content creators, models, producers, cameraman for the production company, my production company. I'm looking for people to win with. I'm looking for people to hit to the next level with. Let's make it happen, man. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down. Oh yeah, shout out to all my real King Hussle fans and supporters, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping sauce. Y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So without further ado, y'all know how I get down at the end of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.